special bulletin. Okay, look what you have made us go and do. We have been getting complaints about the classes.
Yes, we have major complaints.
Okay, so changes were made just for you.
On Mondays, we will be having a gospel class.
Okay.
And what's the name of that class that we'll be having on Mondays?
The name of that class is Gospel Beats. All classes are here at Reid Street from 6 to 7.
And we'll also be having a Wednesday class, and that is our step-by-step just for
beginners.
That's what you really made us go and do.
And then on Thursdays, we have
our Step It Up class. That's where we're gonna sweat with the beats. You gotta be advanced and know line dance terminology for this class.
All right. So what you have made us go and do is get classes just for you.
So, and we can be line dancing,